Hello, everyone. This is the Master 007. Um, this is going to be a review on this Matchbox crane, and yeah, it looks pretty good shape. I actually got this at an antique shop for only $15. So it's actually yeah, it was pretty cheap, and the tires roll pretty well. There's not really a lot of cab dealing. It's all plastic inside the cab, the seats and the seats and the wheel, and the whole boom is metal. This part is plastic, and the hook is metal, and as you can see, it's got the label called Lang. I think it's the original company. But yeah, this is a very nice piece. But yes, this is all diecast metal, and tires really roll well. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this review. This is the Master 007 signing out.